Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company. And today I am going to talk about laws governing child custody in India. So basically, whenever a married couple get divorced, the main topic that arises is the child custody, to whom the custody of the child will be given. So as it is a very sensitive and delicate matter, court also look into so many factors before giving the custody of the child. So factors are financial condition, to whom the custody of the child is being given, their lifestyle, and their understanding with the child, and also their ability to maintain the educational need, social need, or any other need of the child. But utmost importance is given to the welfare of the child. So now I will tell you what are the types of child custody. So basically there are four types of child custody. First is physical custody, second is joint physical custody, third is sole custody, and fourth is third party custody. So in joint custody, one of the parents is given the custody of the right, and that parent is called custodial parent, and the other may given the visiting right. Second is joint physical custody. Here both the parents are given the custody of the child, and child also live with both the parents for the time that has been decided by the court. Third is sole custody. Here only one parent is given the custody of the child, and other parent is found unfit and is not given the custody and is barred from the custody. Next and last is third party custody. Here the third party is given the right, that is called guardian of the child, and none of the parents get the right. So now we will talk about the law governing child custody in India. So there are many laws that governs the child custody, and this is because there are many religious and secular laws that are in operation right now. So first is Guardians and Ward Act. Here the religion of the parent and the religion of the child is not seen. The guardian is chosen, that the court find fits, that guardian is chosen, and here the joint guardians can also be chosen, and the right is given for the person or for the child, and as well as the property in case of minor. So this is Guardian and Ward Act. Second is Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act. Here the act talks about the natural guardians of the child. So the natural guardian of the child is the mother till the age of 5, and after the age of 5, mother and father both are the guardian of the son and the unmarried daughter. And here if the property rights is also given in the case of minority, then the guardian have to take the permission from the court if he wants to sell, gift, or do whatever with the property in name of the minor. So first he have to take the permission of the court, because a minor cannot think about what he or she have to do with that property. So the court will think on the behalf of the minor. Then third is Hindu Marriage Act. Here section 26 of the act empowers the court to give any interim order or any order that is regarding the judgment, maintenance, or education of the child. Section 26 defines. Then there comes the Muslim law. Here only the mother is considered as the custodian parent of the child, and if that mother found unfit or is found misconduct, then only the custody can be given to father. Or if that mother is not there, she is not alive, then only the custody will be given to the father. Otherwise the mother is a sole custodial parent of that child. So last is Christian law. Here the provisions of DV Act, that is section 41, 42, 43, these three sections applied, and only on the basis of these three sections the custody of the child will be given. And firstly the parents have to go for the divorce, then these sections will give the power to the court, and the court will decide that to whom the custody will be given, or the maintenance and educational right of the child will be given. So you can directly apply for the divorce, and then the custody will be decided by the court. So these were the laws governing the custody of the child, and I've also told you about what are the four types of custody and what is custody of child. That's it for today's video, and I hope you liked it. If you have any doubt, you can comment me down below. I will solve at my earliest. And also keep liking, sharing, and subscribe to our channel.